Moving on, viewers, a blast of snow and wind from the polar vortex has gripped the southern part of the United States, leading to shutdown of schools and also affecting vehicular movement. Here is how the United States is grappling with the icy snowstorm. Winter is taking its cover in the United States. Powerful winter storms are dumping heavy snow and glazing roads with ice from eastward to southern United States. From Texas to Oklahoma, governors are declaring states of emergency. National Guard are on high alert to help stranded motorists.
The Department of Natural Resources has 6 task force teams and 12 strike teams that are on standby ready to respond for any potential road debris clearing, public safety assistance, and other needs. DNR has also been preparing the state parks for those who need shelter or warming stations, especially our parks located in the North Georgia mountains are currently near capacity. So
Schools have been cancelled for millions of children across the states. Snowfall as heavy as 6 to 9 inches in cover is blanketing the northern half of Arkansas and much of Tennessee. A wintry mix of sleet, snow and ice are making travel treacherous for drivers. Meanwhile, Georgia is trenched under a feet cover of snow. Effective restrictions are being placed as memories from previous hailstorms are getting revived.
It happens maybe every 5 to 10 years. I remember there being a big snowpocalypse when I was in high school and another one when I was in college, but it's pretty rare. It's a big deal when there's this much snow in Atlanta.
From Saturday to Sunday morning, regions in the United States are witnessing heavy, wet flakes of snow. While the West Coast is under a fiery siege, the Midwest and South is under hail. Moving on, viewers, the situation in the aftermath of the Los Angeles wildfires continues to remain very, very tense. Republic is closely monitoring the situation. Meanwhile, in the aftermath, people have now started returning back to their homes while picking up the pieces of destruction triggered by the wildfires. Take a look. After a devastating fire wrecked more than half of southern Los Angeles, devastation in Pacific Palisades looms unlike anything residents have seen before. Families are left picking up the pieces of their shattered lives. Los Angeles remains now on the edge. For many residents, the return to home has been heartbreaking. Residents are facing the painful reality of what was lost. People are mourning not only the loss of their homes but also the loss of lives of their loved ones.
Never seen anything like it. My in-laws' family lost their son last year to a heart attack at 39. So for them to lose him at their house in a year, it's been tough. Feel for my wife and their family, but everybody here, it's not easy.
Many are questioning the lack of water defenses.
Well, especially in the first 2 days, it was incredible. I mean, you come out into a neighborhood that's literally ablaze, and we're stuck with a fire engine that has 500 gallons on it because this local system doesn't have any in it. So it's hard. It makes it hard for us to do our job effectively.
Local authorities are scrambling to contain the blaze as lack of rainfall has created a dire situation. Despite the challenge, calmer winds this week have allowed firefighters to regain control of some of the most devastating fires. The task ahead to rebuild what has fallen is now monumental.